I don't want to say, but I thought about this next thing last night. What about the
For real, was I really ringing bell the other night?
For real?
Alright. Start this bitch up. You want some?
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Let me now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. We have 4 emergency exits. The main entrance door for which you enter, 2 overwing windows exit located at row 5, and an exit located at row 8. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you. Exit path lighting will direct you to an exit. 2 passenger seatbelts inside the metal fitting into the buckle. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tie it in. To release your seatbelt, leave out half of the buckle.
What's some of them? Oh. The beast.
Your life vest is located under your seat. Please do not remove it unless instructed to do so. Put on your vest, put the vest overhead. Take the tape around your waist and fasten to buckle. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tie it in. To inflate your vest, pull down on the red tabs. To manually inflate, blow into the tubes on either side or push pinning words to release air. A water-activated light is attached on each vest.
Jet fuel is flowing right through the vents. The jet fuel flowing right through the vents. Some of the best pilots flying right now.
Inflate only the vest needed by a crew member to do so, or once you are already outside the aircraft. For further information, please review the safety information cards found in your seat packets. Smoking is not allowed on throughout the flight. Thank you for your attention and once again, welcome aboard the InterCaribbean Airways.
Shut right off. I thought it was videotaping. Oh, and that's been taken off.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be taking off shortly, so please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Yeah, that's small.
Once again, at this time, only electronic devices will be turned off, as these might interfere with the aircraft communication and navigational systems.
runway is, it stretches the whole width of the island. It's 6,300 feet. Yep. But you know, it almost a little stretch. Alright. All you can see the power of the friend witness. That's Captain Thomas and Captain Simmons. You know Addison Simmons? You know Addison Simmons from Soulgate? You know Wonky Hills?